Hello everybody. So let's continue in our deployment for the application. I want to show you how to deploy it and how to actually add it to our portfolio. So let's do that. So the first thing that I'm going to do, actually, I will stop my server. I will commit everything. I did something bad actually here. I didn't commit in little steps. I just went from pretty much adding Tailwind to the end. Well, let's leave it like that. But the idea is when you have to commit, shorter they are, they're actually better. When you do some kind of functionality, they are better. So one way could be pretty much when we added the add view, or when we add the edit, when we do the filtering, stuff like that, like some basic functionality, you've been committed and committed, and that's actually the best approach to have. So sorry for not having like that. Actually, I already have that. I will go to GitHub. I will create a new project. I will call it LookAtMyNotes. Simple Vuex. I want to have a description now. Code application. Okay, something really important. You guys need to have the HTTPS enabled. The way that I have my environment set up, I actually selecting the SSH, but please just proceed everybody with the HTTPS one. So what I'm going to do is pretty much adding the remote. Pushing it. Perfect. We refresh it. And we have our application. Look at my notes system. So now, I believe we can actually code this. And let's go here to the SSH. Let's go to the server. Perfect. And let's actually clone it. Git clone. I'm already in my home directory, and I will do go into my look at my node and install my dependencies. And I will pause the video for now, and when I finish, I will continue. Well, that actually was fast. Let me just build it. And we just wait for a little. Perfect. Application get built. So let me go to my bar www folder, and I will create, and I will call this my node. And in here, what I'm going to copy is everything. Well, let's copy recursively actually from my home directory. Look at my node distribution, everything, and I will copy over here. So I copy the CSS 5icon index.js. Perfect. This is what I needed. Now I will go to my etc nginx conf.d, and I will create a new one. We go to sudo nano. Actually, I'm going to use vi, and you can actually use nano in there. I like a little more that one, so let me use vi and call this my node.conf for my password. And from here you do my server, open close it, and I will put my listen in the port 80 of IP version 6 as we mentioned before. and we need to finish with semicolon. So listen in the port A, and this one need to be there, perfect. Server underscore name is going to be my notes dot Rodolfo Roman dot syc. And this because actually I'm using subdomain. So you have several domains, you can actually have your full domain like mynode.com or something like that, you can actually point in there. So just FYI if you want to use something like that. Location of the root is going to be the root directory is the one that we just created, that's bar www my notes, and then we do our index or entry point is going to be index.html, and last one try files, and that's to do the redirection, that's for to do the single page application to actually work that it's supposed to. So any URI that we specify is going to render the index.html. And I believe that's it. So let me get out, connect it. We do sudo nginx. Okay. Oh, sudo without n. Oh, sudo nginx. Sorry for all those typos. Okay, my syntax is okay. So we can do sudo nginx -s reload. That's it. I need to go to my DigitalOcean because it's actually a new domain. Let me sign in. Let me go to my project. From here in my domain, I will add a new one, my notes, pointing to my server. That's going to be my front-end server. Let's do this one for 30 seconds. Let's create a record. And it's actually there. So this will take a while to render it. Let's actually verify it. Oh, it's already there. Look at my notes. And we have an issue with this one. They didn't pick up the information that it's supposed to. So we get a new one, add, edit, B. Yeah, it's doing it. See, perfect. But it looks like somehow this didn't get rendered. Something that can fix later. I will leave it like that. For now, let me just delete this one. Perfect. Let me delete this one. And it's working. The application is running and it's working as it's supposed to. Almost. We have that underscore and that purple thing, but we can figure that later. Please keep it for another issue. So now that we have the application running, we do the sudo servbot -auto -nginx, and let me select, in my case it's number 4. Let me select my number 4. I will select 2 for the redirect. Perfect. If I refresh my page, that's already what it's supposed to. I will take this page for my, take a screenshot for my screenshot, save visible. Perfect. Let me download it. What I want to do now, actually get out from the server, go to my portfolio, open my Visual Studio Code, from here what I'm going to do is going to copy the image. It's going to be number 6 now. So in my case, I would do it through here, but you can actually do it through your Windows Explorer or your Finder. I will go to my download, and I have my screenshot. Look at my note. I will save it in my source directory assets. Projects are going to be called 06.png because I'm maintaining the same extension. Perfect. That's my notes. Perfect. And what I need to do is just check my projects. I will copy the last one. And look at my note as the name. It's a new application with Vuex implementing a CRUD node app. Just need to have CRUD, Vue.js, JavaScript, Tailwind, and let me add another one, Vuex, and let me actually another one for the Vue-router. Yeah, I believe the one are pretty much fine. And it's going to be pointing pretty much to my my notes. Perfect. Oh, I need to import the image now. My notes, go to the image number 6, and I need to use that one as my image. Perfect. I will commit the changes. I'm not supposed to be testing it, but I'm really confident that we did a really good job. So let's see if that actually works. I added my notes app. Perfect. Let me push it. We're waiting for that to finish it. Perfect. So actually I can go now to my server again. Go to my portfolio. Oh, I call it here my new portfolio. I will forget that. I will do a git pull. We see that we have a new image and we have a project changed. Perfect. So we just do a yarn build to add that to the final application. We wait for a couple of seconds, or probably a little bit longer. Go to the distribution folder. I will copy recursively everything in this directory to my bar www portfolio. What I call it? Oh, it's my HTML. I won't forget about that. Perfect. We go to my main application. That doesn't exist. There you go. We go to my portfolio. We have the look at my notes. With all the different hashtags, and we open it. The application is open. That's pretty much the process to publish the application and how to add it to the portfolio. I will actually need everybody doing that. Of course, the application, change the name, but whatever name you want to have it. That name needs to be reflected here. If it's still looking ugly like mine, we can fix that later. I will figure out what to do. But for now, just keep the name and keep changing some colors in there. And I believe that's pretty much it. I hope that everybody liked this video. Any question or any doubt, don't hesitate to reach me. Happy coding, everybody.